This video is the third in a series of videos on Cubeviz. We will demonstrate how to use the model fitting plugin to fit and subtract the underlying background in each spaxel of our cube. We return to our plugin toolbar. There are a number of plugin actions that can be applied to manipulate the data. Many similar commands are also possible using the API within the notebook. For example, you can apply a Gaussian smoothing function or collapse the cube in wavelength space. In this example, we will use the model fitting plugin to fit the underlying background. We choose to fit the collapsed spectrum for the entire cube over subset 5, which we defined as our background region in video 2. We can choose from several model components. In this case, we choose a linear 1D fit, which we name L. After adding the component, we can enter parameter values and even fix them if so desired. In this case, we will go with the default values and leave them unfixed. The equation editor allows you to enter multiple components for the model, but in our case, we just have a linear fit. We name our output data. Finally, we select Fit Model. The resulting fit is good. We see the line pass through the background region we fit and extend over the entire wavelength range. If we are happy with this fit on the collapsed spectrum, we can now perform a similar fit over the entire cube on each spaxel individually. We do so by selecting the Cube Fit option, renaming our output, and directing the output to the second window. The fit takes a few seconds to complete. The resulting cube represents a 3D model of the background estimate per spaxel. Finally, we can edit the plot options for the new model cube. Like before, we changed the stretch and percent for scaling. We then use the Slice plugin to scrub through the cube. Notice both cubes are linked in wavelength. In our next video, we will demonstrate how to export the new models back into the notebook and subtract the continuum from the entire cube.